morning. So we are back here now in Amritsar bus stand. And for today's video, meron akong import. Di ba? So I met Fritz. Fritz. Saan ba? Ito ba? I posted something on my WhatsApp status. And then, okay. And then he messaged me. Tapos I remember na he's from here. Then, wait lang. Ito naman mga bus driver. Ito pala sigaw. Kakagigil. Amazing. Ay. No, here is better. Here na lang, please. So, he messaged me. Sabi niya, kamusta ka? Sabi ko, I'm good. So, ayan. Tapos, ulitin ko nga yung story ko. Naguluhan ako. Paano ba nangyari? Nagsasas ako, nag-message siya. Tapos, tinanong ko lang. Paano ba? Tinanong ko lang. Nag-message siya. Tapos, tinanong ko. I asked him, where do you live in India? Tapos, sabi niya, Amritsar. Hello! I told him, I am here. Then he invited me to his village. Oh, Fritz, say hi.
Hi.
So that's Fritz. What do you do in Bali?
Manay
Tell them how we meet.
Balot. I sell balot.
Pag nagtitindihan ng balot, oo. Tapos,
Mana do na work.
Tapos mga mani. Tapos pag may mga noms, so ayan, siya yung, siya yung contact namin sa mga pamani, pa-noms. O, diba? I'm so happy I will be able to visit a village here in Amritsar, India. When did you arrive in India?
25 September.
September last year. Okay. Say hi to my vlog, please.
Hi.
That's Fritz.
Your kabayan, kumusta?
Do you speak Tagalog?
Little bit.
Yeah, just,
Not too much.
Anything. Say anything about Tagalog. Huh?
I don't know too much.
But you talk Tagalog
Kumusta?
I remember.
Yeah.
Oh, anyways, so ayun. We're not that close, but why not? We always buy balot to him. Diba? Every weekend. Syempre naman mga noms. O, diba? And my favorite is, what? Do you remember? No, not the balot. The balot. I don't eat balot. Adobong mani. Yes, o, diba?
Kubad.
What?
Kubad.
Kubad. O, diba? Sira ulo siya. Ayan. I'm so happy. He invited me to his village. Destiny nga naman. Ay, so mabait. He picked me up in the bus stand because he really wanted me to visit his village. If only I have time, I will stay. Diba? He's so nice. So, ayan. Buti na lang, Fritz, nagtinda ka ng balot. Kung hindi, wala akong pupuntahan ditong village. Diba? There will be like, if you check online, there's like village tours here. I have someone I know. Diba? Gusto ko to, ubit na bet ko to recently. Nakaka-Indian goddess yan. May ako naisip yung sarili ko, mag-change look tayo later. Alam mo na. Oh, everybody, good morning again from Amritsar, India. So, for today's video, come with me as we go finally visit one of the villages here. So, let's go! Ako'y nagmamakaawa na, yes, share my channel to your friends, your family, your relatives, your ex, your enemies, your office mates. Please share the channel. Share nyo na. Pahirap at patuloy. Si Bagets, so tingin ng tingin ko ano ginagawa ko. Hello, say hi. So, nahiya pa. Mag-hi ka na, ikaw naman. Ngayon ka pa nahiya. Okay, eto na, oh. This is the bus. The bus and the busing. Fritz, thank you for inviting me. Diba? I told you. Oh, see? See? Marunong ka mag-Tagalog, sa ulo ka. Inampas. Wait. Say hi to Ate Fritz. Ay, Ate Fritz. Ate Krit. Yeah, because she was the one who always tell me, can you call Fritz? The one who always have money.
Ate Krit?
Ate Krit. Si Ate Krit.
Hi, Ate Krit.
Yeah, she was the one always telling me, can you call Fritz? Bring the money. She likes the cheese. You have the cheese money, right?
Adobo?
No, the adobo is for me, but the cheese is for Ate Krit and Kuya Mike. Kuya Michael, anong ginagawa mo? Message. Ang gwapo naman ito. It's okay, say hi. Pwede na mo ang kiti-kiti, nagtitinda ng ticket, oh. Wala, cutie-cutie siya, oh. Ang ganda ng ngipin. Patingin nga. Ay, Philippines. You say hi to my vlog. Can you say hi to the Philippines? Just say hello, Philippines. Just say hi. Hi, Philippines. Hello. Do you have Instagram? Ask him Instagram. Instagram. Wala, cute-cute ito. Wala, laban. Wala.
Into the on Facebook.
Ha?
Into the on Facebook.
Okay, you message me. Because you will see your video. Ganito dapat 1, 2, 3 para-paraan tayo. Kaya akala niya, dito joke ko lang siya, nagpapamessage ako sa Facebook. Ay, sabi ko, hindi pwede. Message mo ako, pinakuha ko yung telepono. You thought I'm joking, it's true. Give me. Kala niya, joke lang. Hindi. Pag bet mo, aurahan mo. Huwag mong iisipin basta kung ano yung ginagawa sa... Yung iba kasi maaarte. Kapag sinajudge agad yung buhay. Let basta marangal trabaho mo, laban ako, no? Wala ka namang basta wala kang sinasaktan. Hindi ko kayang sabihin yung hindi ko kayang sabihin yung ninanakawan. As long as you don't steal to anyone, then you're okay. I don't care about what you do, what your job is. As long as your job is marangal, I don't care. Bakit? Nagpaligaw nga ako sa titinda ng mineral water. Hindi kasi ako judgmental. Yes. Hey, let me show you a little bit of wait. Nagirang open to, di ba? Outside. Oh, ayan ha. Everyone is telling me, please don't put your camera outside of the window. They will steal it. They will snatch it. Wag naman sana, uy. Tapos sabi nila, but if you will still do that, just hold it. Basta, awakan mo ng mabuti. Sorry naman everybody, my English is still warming up, it's still early. It's around 10. Oh no, yeah, my English is working now. But still warming up. Oh, ayan. This is the street of Amritsar, Punjab, India. Kaya I remember may jowa to sa wait nga po. Ayan ang tongbangs, di ba? Binuksan ko lang saglit. Say hi to your ex-girlfriend in Dubai. I know you have. No! You telling the story. Ano kasi to, so whenever we are in Dubai, tapos mag-deliver yan ng mani, di ba? Ini-invite na namin mag-shot yan. Don't tell. Huwag ko daw sabihin. Wala, sabihin ko bakit. Vlog ko nga to eh. Ini-invite namin mag-shot yan. Mga tatambayan, mga 5 to 10 minutes, makikishot lang yan parati. Ganun lang parati ginagawa niya. So, he will stay 5 to 10 minutes. No, you drink 2 shots and then you always go, right? Because we always invite you. Oo. Tapos ayan. So, ayun. That's how I know him. Are you married? No? Are you looking for girlfriend? Ay, naka. May mga pangiti ka pang nalalaman. Bangasin kita. Binangas. Kanina. So, my God, how will I explain this in English? Later na nga, don't explain. Oh, okay. So it will take like an hour at least for us to reach his village. I'm so excited. You know, I like village very much, right? Village is like my future. Kaya yung konduktor, niningitian ako, bet ako nito. My God. Walang gwapo. Papa. Ano? Parang nahanap ko na yung forever ko dito sa India. Diba? Na ako, future konduktora. Ako yung taga-singer, siya yung taga-bigay ng ticket. Ganon. Ay! Talaga naman. Hi everybody, we are near. So we've traveled almost like an hour just to reach the village. So we're literally like 3 to 5 minutes away. So excited to see their village. My God. I woke up early so I can fix my eyebrows. So, diba? Siyempre, people there will not see foreigners every day. So you have to fix. Hi, McDonald's! There's McDonald's near. I will go. Yeah. Sorry. Kita ba? Bigla ako may nakitang kainan. Wala. May kape. Pwede na yun. So I fix myself. Diba? Sorry I always do this when I get distracted. So I fix myself because we're going down. Wala, bababa na pala kami. I fixed myself because I wanted people there to see me beautiful. Yes. Any foreigners visited there before or no? I'm the first. Ang dami. Ay, let's go na raw. Sorry. Bababa na raw kami. Wait lang, sorry naman. Ha? Already before. Okay. Okay. Kala ko naman ako yung... Ito naman. Moo agad. Natanong na maayos. Charis. Wait. Wait lang. Hoy! Bumaba na ako sa bus. Bye. Yan, nandito yung konduktor. Ayayin ko mag-chai mamaya yan. Ano, Prince? What did you say? What did you say?
About what?
You saying something?
I don't know what they do.
We will ride again? We cannot walk?
No, it's far.
It's far daw. Hala. Dito ra. Wala, saan ako? We waiting for people?
Maybe one.
Ha?
Maybe one or two.
Okay. No, it's okay. Hoy, ganda ko, oh. So, I was saying that I fixed myself because I want the people there, to see me as beautiful person. Yes. Because it's not every day they will see foreigners visiting their village. So, be beautiful. Diba? Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. Tatamaan ako. Sorry. sorry. Tamaan ako niyang, walak yung pes ko dyan. So, we are now moving. We are going to Fritz Village. I think he's calling his mom to prepare the aloo parata. I said I like aloo parata because they're asking me like what I wanna eat. I said aloo parata or just egg and 2 breads. Kasi nga diba, I eat breakfast but just little. I don't know. I'm trying to force myself to eat breakfast but still for the longest time, I still don't have the appetite. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So, but if someone invites you and they prepare it for you, kumain ka. Huwag kang naging inaso. Ganda ko, oh. Gusto ko to, oh. Diba? He's marrying me. I will meet his family today. I'm so excited, my God. Charis. Yeah. Tell them you marry me. Just joke. Dali na. Tell them. Tell them. He married me like tan. Dali amon na. Ito naman. Joke lang naman. Ayaw. Ha? Huwag may nano yung camera. Sa mga Indiano, pala kasi ganun ang ganun. No, I don't. Ay, taray, may railway. Diyos ko, parang laro, oh. What they say?
They say you want to come here married? No, it's my
I want to what?
He's come for married to me.
Yeah. Yes. He's just shy. He marry me. Have baby. Thank you so much. I told you. So, charis lang. Baka may mama, girlfriend sa Dubai, awayin ako. Hoy, let me show you more of the village on how it looks like. Ano na? Someone is gonna ride. O, paano na? Paano? O, ayan. Ayun. Hala, gustong-gusto ko to. Pag may nakikita ko mga bagets na naglalaro, madudungis. I really like that. True to life talaga. If I were to have a baby, bawal mga cellphone. Maglaro ka, magputik ka sa labas. Mag-akyat ka sa mga puno. Magpahabol kayo sa aso. Ganun yung mga trip ko. Yes. No phone maybe until siguro mga 16. O kapag mabait, 14. Pero no phones talaga ako. Magala kayo ng mga tropa nyo, ganun yung mga trip ko. So, yes. No, if God will give me a baby. Cellphone, internet, mga ganyan, no, not allowed. Magbasa kayo ng libro, magpinta kayo ng mga pintura sa labas. Ganun dapat. Here no pollution, no? It's fog. O see, if you're in the village, there's no pollution. Fog talaga siya. It's really a fog, not pollution this time. It smells like smells like cow, smells like chicken, smells like tree and, diba? But at least the pollution is less. The air pollution is less. Ayan. What here? What's happening? Sugar cane pala yun. Wait nga. Ang ating lahi. Hoyo, bumaba na kami. But we have to ride once again. May mga ganun pala dito. Transfer. Dami nangyayari.
This is village, that's why.
This, it don't look like a village. It looks like a city. Ay, bye-bye. Nakalimutan ko magbabay sa kanila. Sorry naman. We keep walking daw. Makakita ko ng pineapple. Gusto ko ng pineapple. So, let's keep walking.
Yeah.
Ganda ko, oh. Hello. Hi, everybody. So, it's a full tour. It's a full village tour. Private tour, di ba? Ganun dapat. I told Pritz to prank his mom to to tell that he will marry me. Prank your mom, ha? Just joke. Yeah. Tell them, ma'am, this is Kate Toretto. And,
But she know already.
Ashia, oh.
Because I tell
Why, but why did you tell her? It's hard to say no, no? I have plans today, but I canceled it for Pritz. Because why not? It's not like every day you're gonna see someone from Dubai, di ba? So let's do it. Hi, Pritz, I want the pineapple. Let's buy them fruits. Let's buy them something. You know, in the Philippines, when we visit someone's place, we always bring something. It's not good that you come with nothing. But if you don't have money, it's okay. But if you have, then buy something, di ba? I'm buying banana. Ganda, oh. Hey, look at their carrots. It's like that, but it tastes the same, ah. Like any other carrots. Is that kiwi? No. Wait, what is this? Potato?
No, that's better.
Chico? Ah, okay. I'm just asking. Diba hindi ko alam? Sorry naman. Oh, don't bash me, ah. Bakit? Porket vlogger? Why people are like this, no? If you're a vlogger, you should know everything. No, it's not true. If you don't know something, you don't know. It's okay if you bash me if I don't know something. I'm not perfect. Bakit? Hindi ko naman sinabing honor ako, valedictorian ako nung high school. Kung kinlame ko na valedictorian ako, okay lang. I-bash niyo ako. From the very beginning naman, di ko naman, bubita naman ako, di ba? Honest naman ako, di ba? Kaya nga dinadaan ko sa landi yung mga aura, di ba? Magalandi ba ako sa professor ko nung college para maipasa yung mga kemerut ko kung matalino ako? Hindi. Nilandi ko nga, di ba? Pumayag naman, charis. Charot lang, charot lang. This one, no? Chocolate. Are you sure? Can you ask? I want something new, fresh. Let's buy them something because we're visiting someone's place. It's okay, yeah, let's buy that. Hoyo, the cake is caking. Okay, we buy that. It looks delicious. Let's buy the cake. What? No, I'm paying. I'm visiting. Ikaw magbabayad. Sila ulo ka ba? Palaaway ako, di ba? Sorry naman. Here. It's my gift to your family because you will accept me today in your house. Kang umaarte, Pritz. Ay, ang saya. So, kaya may pa-cake tayo. Let's go. Diba? Let's go. Shukriya. Kailangan, hindi ka lang maganda, mabait ka din. Diba? Kung hindi ako maganda sa paningin nyo, maganda ako sa paningin ng nanay ko. Bakit? Hi everybody, we have arrived. In Pritz Village. My God. The village is villaging. Naku, huwag niyo ako tinitignan. Kahinaan ko yung mga villagers. Oh, welcome. I like this. My God, there's a farm. I like. But the sun is hot. Ang init sa face.
They're making
The what? The driver can drop us there, but I said, I wanna walk. I wanna walk sa farming. Sa mga damo-damo. Is there a snake here? Snake. You can say no, actually. Why do you have to say yes? So I will not be scared. Now I have to think about that all the time. Diba? Sorry. Pinagalitan. Sorry, Prince. In-invite ka na nga, diba? Pinagalitan mo pa. Pwede naman kasi magsinungaling, diba? Bakit naman kailangan mong sabihin yung totoo? Now I will be scared all the time. Hi! The village is villaging! Tsura ko, wait. Sure, thank you, please.
Wait.
No, it's banana. I'll just hold this.
No, give me.
No, it's okay. I cannot talk like this in the village. I have to talk more normal. Tagain ako ng mga tao dito. Dinala mo, parang sira ulo. Kate Toretto in the village in India. The village is villaging. I like this. My heart belongs to village. From Dubai to India, Pritz. Diba, this is the advantage if you're friendly. Diba? Just message your friend, hey, dito ka nga, Pritz, para makita ka. Thanks, Paul. So when you go back to Dubai, you sell balut, people will know you, everyone, if he come back to Dubai,
No, I will not.
Side hustle, don't close your the opportunity.
No, if I don't have work, sure I will sell. But if I work, why am?
Ha?
If I work, why am sell balut? Because that time I don't.
Side
have work.
hustle, bakit ako nga, ganun ako
No,
eh.
that time I don't have work. I'm in bad time. That's why.
My God, there's dog. I hope the dog is not dogging. If that dog bite me, I will bite too. Charis. Kinagat din, kago, di ba? Let's keep walking. Please, do you say namaste? Here, namaste.
Yeah,
Okay. Ay, ano yan?
No, I mean, they're calling Sat Shri Akal.
What?
Sat Shri Akal.
What is that?
Same like Namaste.
Are you sure this is village?
Why?
Why the house are bigs?
Because they are Canadian. They're Canadian citizen. Because they are in Canada after after they settled their life, and now they are citizen. They have a lot of
What?
not like me.
I like the old houses.
I have mine.
Not this. Okay, good. I don't, there's too much like that. I want the real village life. Where we go? Ha?
My home.
Namaste.
You want to be there?
Ha?
You want to be there?
Mag-uwi kayo.
My nephew.
Pinsan niya daw yan. So this is Prit's
Say hi.
cousins.
Wait, nephew, not cousin.
Ganun na rin yun. Hello. Hi, how are you? Kaseho? Ay, school.
Yeah.
Dead ma sila, oh. Puro kayo paglalaro. Everybody, this is the full experience, ha? Of the Prit's village. Namaste.
No, the Sat Shri Akal.
Ha?
Sat Shri Akal.
Ano?
Sat, human is.
Another niece, taray. They're smiling, oh. Keep walking, Pritz. Namaste. Hello. Shisha. My God, Pritz.
My brother here.
Huh?
That's my brother bike.
This doesn't look like a village. It looks like a city.
It's not a city.
But this is a village. Oh, everybody. You don't have a dog? Hello, namaste. Do I shake? Ah, only like this. Oh, okay. Namaste. 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 Hala. Hoy, ano tuloy-tuloy lang sa kwarto? Wala man lang hi hello sa mga tao. Sira ulo naman to, oy. Namaste. And this is your brother? Namaste. He was the guy last night?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Namaste.
I'm my mom.
And the mom. Ayan, namaste again. Okay. And the sister? Brother's
My
wife?
brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. Ah, okay. Ano?
Sister-in-law.
Ah, okay. Brother's wife.
Yeah.
See?
So me and my brother were doing timber work. And,
Ay, tari,
he's
nag-vlog.
going-
Sabi ni Pritz. Pritz told me like my house is not beautiful. That's why I'm shy. Hello? This is what I like. When we were young, we always go like in Nueva Ecija, in Gabaldon. This is like how our kwarto looks like. Pinagtatatab. I remember that when we were kids, magkakatabi pa kami ng anak ko. I used to sleep with my brothers and sisters. Tapos kapag nagising kami, mag-aaway-aaway kami dyan. Uy, ulo kasi yung kuya mo, lagyan ka namang gagamba. How are you? Pritz told me you're at work.
Now he's coming for take
For-
the things.
For the lunch?
Hey, would you like samosa?
Samosa?
Yeah.
Yes, why not?
That's very chubby. Do you want to go with me?
No, I don't want.
Okay. You're welcome.
Iniwanan ako. Pritz, why? Where you will go?
Buy for samosa.
You said there's alu parata.
Aloo paratha. Mom not cook aloo paratha.
Okay. Ang ano ko. Okay, go. Okay.
You want?
No,
You
it's...
want come with me?
I don't want.
Okay.
You will walk?
No, I am with the
Is it far?
that's near.
No, it's okay. I don't want. Kakagulo naman yung sambayan ng India sa pagdating ko. Ay, gusto ko to. I really like this. Nakaka-probinsya to. Ganito kami nung bata talaga. When you were kids, we used to sleep. Yung gantong bed, yung ganyan, yung ganito. Wait. Ay, yung mga bagets, oh. Namaste. Ang angas nito maglakad, oh. Parang mananapak siya maglakad, yung bata. Kaya gusto ko to yung ganito, ang simple. I really, really like this. Inaapo yan siguro to pag nagluluto, yung mga ganyan. And this one?
One
This is a boy?
boy.
Tin.
Three.
It's a boy.
It's boy.
Ah, okay. Kaya pala ang angas maglakad. Okay. Sorry?
Small boy.
Ah, okay. So this is a boy?
Boy.
Are you sure? Talaga ba? Kaya pala ang angas maglakad. Akala ko babae. Ah, so you're a boy. Sita na mo, oh. Kaya pala maangas. Okay. And this is a girl. This I'm sure.
इससे छोटा
Ang haba kasi ng buhok, ha?
एक छोटा है इससे
Shoot. Pen.
small
Yeah.
small this small ये small एक small है इससे छोटा है वो सब
Ano daw? Wait. Again. Again? The what?
ये मेरा speak पंजाबी
No.
Speak Punjabi.
Okay, you speak Punjabi and you translate. No, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
ये मेरा बड़ा लड़की है, मतलब
Uh,
कि इससे एक छोटा है और
mm.
वो उससे छोटा वो लड़का है.
Mm.
थ्री थ्री
Kaya pala, akala ko babae itong bata.
थ्री चाइल्ड.
Three. You have three.
थ्री चाइल्ड.
Where's the other one?
स्मॉल.
Where?
तू बोल के दस दे ना.
I am very big, and
ये
my
बिग
sister
बिग लड़का.
small.
Baby?
स्मॉल सिस्टर.
Ah, okay.
स्मॉल सिस्टर, ये स्मॉल बॉय.
Mm. Okay.
थ्री चिल्ड्रन.
Ah, three children.
दिस माय वाइफ.
Yeah, the wife. The wife is wifing. Oh. Naglalaba. And the grandmother pala, sorry. Oh, ayan ang grandmother nila, Pritz. Asan ba? Oh, ayan, oh. Hello. Namaste. Nagtataka siguro sila kung anong ginagawa ko dito. May mga paano mo, Pritz? Akala ko naman eh. So here, Pritz? I'll go the rooftop. Ay, the father is there and the brother. But how will I go down? Also here?
Yeah.
Ay, ang taray naman talaga. Pritz, are you sure this will not move? Hala, tumutunog yung kahoy. Wait lang. Pritz, I'm scared. Kanina, nanginginig yung kahoy. Kanina hindi ako natatakot eh. Wait lang. Maka ano naman to, kala mo hindi nakakatakot. It's very, for you. For you. Teka. Ay, na-survive ko ang hagdan. Pwede na akong tumira dito. Ganun lang naman. Sorry. Hi, rooftop. May pa-rooftop naman pala, Pritz. And then you put the fire here and then you eat, right? Ay, hindi ba? Sorry. Ay.
He's my friend.
Yeah, the friend is... Hello, friend. Namaste. Sorry. Nang-invade tayo ng rooftop. Rooftop invasion. Ano kaya yung white na yun? Parang temple.
100.
100?
Yeah. Plus.
Kuya, 100 na daw yung grandmother. 100 plus?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down. But it will not do like this, ha? It will not, sure? Nakakatakot naman. Puta, wait lang. Ah, shit, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Wait lang. My God. For the vlog, papatayin yung sarili talaga naman. Pinatay yung sarili para sa vlog. Okay, hindi na ako nag-enjoy sa rooftop. Nanginginig pa yung hagdan. Okay, hindi na ako takot. Kaya natakot ako. Bakit ko ba ginawa yun? She can still see? Your grandmother. She can still see? Her eyes are still good?
Yeah.
Really? Can you answer how much? How old?
Bibi. कहती कितनी उम्र होगी तेरी? कहती कितनी उम्र होगी?
मेरी
तामी कहती कितनी होगी?
What?
अब पूछन दे।
पाकिस्तान का जन्म मेरा
पाकिस्तान में क्या लेकिन कितना मतलब कि कितनी होगी तामी?
पता नहीं
मैं said
पाकिस्तान का जन्म
पाकिस्तान में हमने तो जन्म है you know
जो मैं जब मुसलमान जड़े हो
so her right now is like 100 plus 100 plus so I said what is it exactly so I don't know I don't remember
Cake.
yes.
Yes.
Just wait for me. I will be...
Yeah, take the kids. Because I know you have kids. So we bought the cake. No, it's okay. Shukriya. Let me help you. Put it here. Yeah. Thank you. Kalma lang kayo. Ako lang to. Kalma lang po kayo. Ako lang po ito. Sa bahay nga namin, binabatukan lang ako ng mga kapatid ko eh. Wala po kayo dapat ipag-alala. Shukriya.
केक है
Yeah, cake. Hi, this is Prit's mom. There. Hi. This is Prit's mom. Oh, diba? It's a tea. Oh my God, I'm so excited. There's chai. Yeah, I can help you with that. I can put it here. All right. Shukriya. And the cake is caking. Ay! The cake is caking. Alam niyo yan. My God, the cake. I like it.
केक
Yeah. Happy birthday to Charis. Kumanta ng happy birthday.
Kulo o di tira kana.
Ay, taray naman talaga. May pamalaking mesa na tayong nangyayari.
Kapde fir de.
Hala. Ang sarap ng cake.
Kapde fir de.
No, it's okay. Pwede na yan. Yeah, this is okay, yes.
ये बड़ा
Yes. We also, in the Philippines, same life, don't worry. Yes, syukriya. Siyempre, yung mga bata, pag nakita yung cake, masisiyahan yan. Kung ano bata ako, cake lang ako. Cake lang ako, masaya na ako kahit daw makakain ng spaghetti sa mga birthday, no? Oh, happy birthday to... Namaste. Ang daming bata. Namaste.
Small sister.
Small, so the oldest, the middle, and the youngest. I thought that he was a girl.
No, he's
Yeah, I thought nga. Ikaw naman. Oh, let's eat. Tara naman, kain na tayo. Gutom na talaga ako.
plate कर दो
You can do what you want with the cake. It's okay. I will eat. Let's eat, please. Sorry, I'm hungry. Di ba? Take your father to eat. Ang sarap, ang init.
सब बड़ा
Sauce pala
Ganyan pala ang kinakain yung samosa sa bahay.
you want the spicy also?
No. What? I will do it myself. You break it like this and like this. Oh.
Yeah. Then
Ganun pala. Sarap. Eat. Tell the kids to eat treats. Pala-away ako. Sorry naman. Ayoko kasi tinitreat akong special. Nakaabang kayo sa cake, mga bata. Kayo, alam ko na yan.
चाची आजा
हाँ
आजा ओ आजा
Ganyan pala kinakain ng samosa sa bahay.
अभी आ जाइए
आजा ना
Happy birthday to you. Because I know it's your birthday, so we advance it. Ano yan, Fritz? What's that?
What?
What's that?
Same.
Ang dami naman.
I bring too much.
Yeah, the samosa here is good. It's true. Why? It is really good. Why? He told me the samosa here is good. I was like, really? Maybe it's the same. But it's true.
Because we not do makeup.
Yeah. Hala, kasama kayo sa ano?
चाची आ जाओ खाना समोसा
चाची आजा आजा 2 मिनट वो आजा का 2 मिनट आजा
Nag-aaway ba sila?
चल कोई नहीं आजा 2 मिनट आजा कोई नहीं 2 मिनट और लेट हो जाएंगे
Ang sarap ng samosa. I really like it. Relax, I will.
आगे खाना चल ठीक है
Ang mga bata talaga.
चाची ले आओ होते ले
Ang sarap ng samosa.
ए आजा 2 मिनट थल्ले आजा
Yeah. Not sure, it's okay.
तानी से खाना
Ang sarap. Wait lang, isa pa.
डैडी बस वेट कर रहे हैं करो तो
लो गया
That's okay, it's okay. I'll do it. Sure, kaya. Where's the chai?
मम्मी चाय दे
There, oh.
हां ले ली
There.
ओ
Kain po. Kain po. Baya pa na yan. Let's eat. Pasok kayo sa ano? Oh, banga. Ah, when I saw him, I was like, why is he walking like a boy? And then your brother, yeah, but I don't know. I didn't know it. Then your brother just told me na he's a boy. I was like, really? Nakaabang to sa cake. Ito mukhang tirador ng cake tong batang to eh.
I hope you like this tea.
Ha?
I hope you like this tea.
Why? It's creamy. I think you already told him, don't make it spicy. Chai.
आवे में कैसे दिया करता आवे पता तो क्या
Please, who is this? This one. The one.
He's my cousin son.
Cousins. I think he's waiting for the cake. Look at the face.
Yeah.
Alam ko mga inaano mo, gusto mo ito. Alam ko na mga anuhan yung mga bata kayo. Alam ko na ang hinihintay nyo, yung cake. Tara na. Alam ko naman ito lang hinihintay yung mga bata kayo. Hindi naman ako talaga yung pinunta ninyo, kundi yung cake lang naman din talaga. Please, I want more samosa. Wait. But I will cut the cake for the kids.
Yeah, you can.
I think they want it. I didn't think you'd understand me. How you even try. Tara. Tara dito, ikaw. Ikaw naman mukhang number 1 na ba? Prince, what's his name? Sukman. Tara. Yala. Ikaw naman, alam ko naman. Nakaabang ka sa cake, alam ko. Nangatingin na mo sa cake, kanina ka pa eh. Hala, tingin natin. Hating kapatid to walang ano-on dito ha. Alam mo, tanggalin na natin to. Oh. Kasi hindi ko mahihiwa eh. Take it. Kasi hindi siya mahihiwa. Kaya natin tanggalin. Design lang din naman yan. Uy. Yeah, take it. Yeah, take it. Oh. Ay, sakto sa inyo. Oh. Perfect. Amazing. Oh. Tinanggal yung design ng cake. Wala. There's something in the middle. Or maybe not. They gave this?
Maybe.
Ah, okay. You know what I'm scared with? Can you help me?
Why you scared?
Because I cannot cut it. Yeah, there's something in the middle. It's really, really hard. I don't want to damage the cake. Wait. Better. Amazing. Thank you po. You cut it na. I don't want na. Diba? For the vlog lang. Ayoko na. You cut it na. Ay, tira mo sila kumain ng samosa.
I don't know what it is.
I told you. So, be careful baby ko. Baka bumagsak yung cake, pre. Abangers, so. Dito ka. Alam mo, abangers siya. Oh, please move the lid. Abangers din siya, eh, oh.
I make one more.
Yeah, as many as you can. Kasi marami tayo, eh. Damihan mo, no? Dapat yung pangkat mo, ano.
Yeah. Pabi, ayaw mo na yan.
Let's look, abangers din siya. Oh.
Pabi, dito.
Walang sarap. Gusto ko tong samosa dito sa village. Ang sarap, hala. Tara dito! Chares! Nakisigaw.
आजा ताई
Yeah. Alam mo, nakaabang sila sa cake ko. Ala, kayo talaga. Namaste. Talaga naman may pa-request ka pa. Talaga naman, may pa-request ka pang nalalamang bata ka. Ang sarap mo samosa.
Karna gala.
आते रिजस कारण कॉल लिया है
What?
ओ
The kids first. Give it to the kids. Pwede tayong bumili yan anytime. Pero yung mga bata, hindi.
सिमी तेरी कॉल की थी
Ito, maubos siya. Hi! Ang mga ngitian mo sa cake. Kaabang ka din eh, oh.
जैसे मैं कान पत्ता तो नहीं दिया तन अच्छी पा दे ऐसा कौन बोले कितना दी
Yan mo siya.
आप कॉल की थी कॉपी तेरी
Hindi ni
Parang 2 classrooms lang. Video me. The teacher is there?
Yeah.
It's a boy, it's a girl.
Go.
Ah, okay. Ang taray, kala mo ano, no? May pa-visit. Tara. Let's go. Namaste.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. I just want to see like how it looks because I've never seen like an Indian school before.
Sure.
Yeah, hello. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. Can you check the classroom? Is it okay? Okay.
Fourth, third.
Okay. Can I check? I can check. Okay daw. Hello. Hi. Ay, ang taray. How many students do you have?
40.
40. Ang dami. I think. Hi. Ang gandang bata, oh. Okay. Sorry, I don't want to disturb you. It's okay. Thank you. Oh, ayun. Oh, di ba? Quick lang. Huwag tayo mang istorbo. Other classroom. Listen to your teacher. Go inside. Okay. Ayun naman pala. May pa-classroom tour. Ha?
They have a smart class also.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah.
Ang taray ng village nila, may prompter ba tawag dyan? Is that a prompter? Prompter. Taray, may pa ganun. Ang social. I like that. And the TV. Sana may ganito sa Swabi, no? Di ba, Swabi agad yung naiisip ko. Every time I'm seeing kids and everything, like it's always... sorry, what's your name? Apka nam kya hai? Apka nam kya hai?
Baljinder ka.
Okay. My name is Kay. Thank you once again. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. O, diba? Yun lang. Let's go. That's the school. We'll go check more things inside the place. Let's go. Inside the place, around their place, around the village. We're gonna say hi to the neighborhoods. Hi, walk pa tayo. Mga hunting tayo ng gwapo sa village. Charis lang. Of course, we're not gonna do that. Charis lang tayo. Mag-ano lang tayo, village tour. Hello. Diyan kami naglakad kanina. Wala ba kayong mga ilog, river?
Here no.
Without the crocodile, Yung ilog daw nila may crocodile. Sabi ko, ay, wait, cancel. Di kayo nangahabol yan. Hi. How do you call this? Cow?
Like
Cow, right?
in my language it will be mud.
Madge. Okay.
Yeah, but
Marami rin naman kami yan sa ano. Saan ba namin yan? Sa Bicol. Ganyan din kami, no? This is rich family. Taray. I think this is their farm. Ay. Taray naman yung village nila. May mansion. Marami din ganyan mga pinsan ni Mokchar. Di ba? I showed that in my Pakistan vlogs. Dapat ganyan dapat, oh. Taray ng bahay na laki, no? Ganda. Social. Kagandahan sa akin yung mga tao dito. Kung pwede lang ako maganto nun ako. Only if I can do this in Pakistan. This kind of outfit and the makeup. I will, but not allowed. Pagagalkan ako ni Mokchar. What?
here is allowed. No.
Yeah, in India, I know. I'm telling about Pakistan. In our village. In my village in Pakistan, no. I have to be neutral. I have to wear big clothes so they cannot see my beauty. Ang gaganda kaya ng mga Patan na babae. If you have seen like a Patan villager, like a woman, the whole face, ay, I'm telling you, mag-aano kayo. Malulungkot kayo sa buhay. Yung naramdaman ko sa Thailand, naramdaman ko, nakita ko yung mga mukha ng babaeng Patan. Kuhala, mukhang Mama Mary. Blue eyes, tapos yung ilong perfect. Yung mga labi, nakaganon. Sabi ko, hala, laro yung mukha nila tapos tinatago. Kung ganun mukha ako, girl, ako ipaglalantaran ko sa buong mundo yun. Hi, that's gonna be it. So we're going back to house. Are we gonna sing Pritz? Do you have video, okay? Mahilig kumanta to si Pritz yata. Kasi kayo na pa siya nagsasabing video, okay?
No, have right now.
Ano?
So I talk for someone.
It's okay. Ito na pala. Oh, we're back. Diba? Ito na pala. Nakabalik na pala kami. Oh. Yun lang. Let's go. Okay. Oh, they invited us to eat.
Panipuri.
Yeah, eto lang. Kabilang bahay lang naman pala. Akala ko naman lalayo kami. Kabila lang naman. Ay! We're visiting another home. Namaste. Nagulat na. Namaste. Namaste. कैसे हो? Kasi, tama ba yun? Tara yun, pani-puring magaganap naman talaga. Ay, ayan na. Ito na. Sige, go. Go yan. Libre yan eh. Charis. Charis lang. What? What? Okay. O, dito lang tayo, please. I hold it. Okay. Stay there. Stay lang there. My God, the panipuri is panipuri. Please, only 2 pieces, not too much. 2 piece. And give me discount. Charis.
Oh, it's homemade.
Yeah. That's why I like. Please, only 2 piece.
Chata do basically.
2 piece only, yeah. We don't want to waste the food.
But I know you like it.
Yeah, I know. Ay, ayan na. Ay. It's ready?
Yes, ready.
Wait, I don't like that too much sauce.
खाते गंदे है
Way better than yesterday. Yeah. Prince, enough. Only 2. Because I ate too much, samosa.
Nobody's good.
Yeah. Please taste the last one. Busog na ako talaga, sorry. Wait, I don't like the sauce.
But this sauce is good. Wait.
Shukriya!
After
Diba?
2 ago, he will go in there in.
Nang-istorbo lang kami sa pagkain. What?
After 2 hours, he's going in their bus stand and they're selling over there panipuri.
Okay.
Just wait for my brother.
Okay. Ang dami nilang ginagawa sa paligid. Hi. I really like this. Because when we were kids, our home seemed like this. Not in Manila, in Gabaldon, in Nueva Ecija. It's not our house, but we have relatives there. And every summer, we go in Gabaldon. Then, we sleep like this. like our bed. And then there's like a lot of sibuyas under your bed. Wait, sibuyas is onion. So, ganun. I like that life. Ganun lang yung life na gusto ko. Ayoko ng mga social-social. Hindi naman ako makaka-relate sa mga mansion-mansion na yan. So, to my future husband, just buy me a farm. And horses, and dogs, and chickens, and cows, and sheep. Ganun lang yung gusto ko. Samahan mo na ng isang Mustang. Charis lang. Charit lang pala. Gusto lang yung Mustang na yun pala. Uy. Ang daming visitors na dumadating. Talaga naman. Kayo talaga. Hoy, everybody, that's gonna be it. I hope that you were able to enjoy my quick village tour here in India. So, ayun. Gusto ko to, parang I'm reliving my childhood. I really like, they want me to stay for, actually, the original plan is to stay for at least a day or two. But something happened with my schedule. Kala mo, artista, napaka-busy. So, I'm no longer gonna be able to do that. But hopefully, yeah, next time we'll be able to do that because this is what I really like, this kind of bed. Tapos yung mga banig-baneg, that's ayun yung mga nagpapasaya sa akin. So, again, that's gonna be it. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, i-enjoy nyo lang yung life, be positive, stay healthy and pretty. Again, this is Kate Herrero, ending my vlog here in the village. Okay, bye-bye.